Well, it's a beautiful day and I'm out fishing in a different spot. And I look down and I notice that these bluegills are mating. Now, if the water stays still enough, I'll be able to see some action. I don't think I've ever seen this before. I mean, I know what they do, and I've seen plenty of them kind of protecting their nests, but I've never quite seen the act. My lucky day, right? Just like the turkey. I don't know why I'm seeing all this, but it's been a very wildlife-filled spring so far. Pretty cool, beautiful. Looks like maybe a pumpkin seed. Two of them. I don't know, there's a little red on the gill there. Of course, the wind's picking up, so it becomes hard to see. Let's pick it out for a second. Take a wide shot. Man, it's beautiful. It's quiet. It's a little private pond, and it's right by a park. You see there's a bunch of jungle gym stuff over there. There's a little baseball diamond. Not a whole lot of people fish over here. I like it. It's super quiet. I happen to catch a lot of pickerel when I'm over here, which is fun because it's different. And they do like to fight, which is nice. But yeah, I don't know, just like I said, enjoying my nice day out. And I happen to look down and see that. Actually, last time I was here, right around here, there was a snapping turtle. They kept grabbing my bait, and I actually hooked it at some point. I did a video on that a while ago, last year. But yeah, pretty neat stuff though, I have to say. So let's see, let's get back down there. Move my pole out of the way. There we go. Can you guys still see them? They're right in the middle of the screen. Just waiting for the current to die down so you can get a better shot of that. I happen to have the GoPro with me, but I do not have the solid back, you know, so I can go underwater. Otherwise, I'd be filming this underwater. I thought it'd be pretty cool. How about that? Love is in the air. Well, in the water, I should say. Think about that next time it splashes up in your mouth. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.